Okay, so how to add tags on Wix website. This is the tutorial on how to add tags on Wix website. I have here a template. I have now used the main template from Wix.com. I customized a little bit just for this tutorial. Nothing fancy, just for this tutorial. Nothing complicated. Just I changed a few things, but at the base is just the template from Wix, and I just changed a couple of stuff. But anyways, now what you need to do here, I'm just gonna click on here. We have this blog, and then here we're gonna see manage post, right? I'm gonna click on that, and here this will direct us to where we have all the posts. I've just created here some examples of some posts. Nothing really impressive, of course, just for this tutorial. And what I want to show you here is that we also have here tags, right? So I'm gonna click on tags, and here we're gonna create some tags. So first tag I'm gonna create is car care, let's say, and we're gonna click on, this is the actually URL slug, okay? And this is good actually to click on here and edit your SEO. And the reason is because, and by the way, maybe is already obvious what is a URL slug. Is just like after what comes after the domain name. And why is a really good idea to edit your URL slug is make sure it's readable, helps both the viewer, the users, and the search engine understand the content of the page. Now, of course, here just tag and then car care, what the tag is about, and here you have the title tag, meta description, and this is good to edit as well because it's just relevant to your title and create more clicks and will boost also your SEO if you change your result. The same thing applies for the meta description, and especially for the title as well. So now we're gonna just edit this. I'm not gonna do it. Okay, and now add another tag here. And I'm thinking of a tag. Let's say car wash business. Okay, and did I not save the other tag? Apparently I didn't save it. Weird. Okay, so another one is DIY care washing. Sorry, I'm like looking left and right. I have another monitor and it's just like it's too like it's wide, you know. So anyways, now I click on save, and now I have another tag. Okay, just refresh this. Just to make sure you refresh your page, by the way. And now here on our blog, I'll click on this post here. If you click on it, now that's just when you're editing. Sorry, I wasn't paying attention. So I'll click on manage post here, and now I'll click on a blog. Right now here in settings we have categorize and tags, right? So here I can click on here and I can add some of the tags for this blog, right? And now I can click on publish, and now I can also, this is just some edit, you can edit your website from here, edit your post, but here I can actually just refresh this. Now here when I click on let's say on this this post, I have these tags here. For this one I don't have any tags because I didn't add any tags. So yeah, I hope you found this short video helpful. Thanks for watching and take care.